Hello viewers, I am Yusuf from 5 Minutes Information channel. I welcome you all. This is episode number 83. This video clip is about the QR code part 2. Viewer guidance, you can get the notes of this video lecture, URL link mentioned in this video description. In this video, I will talk about the two important points about the QR code. Number one, what is QR code? And number two, what are the main usage of QR code? Point number one, what is QR code? Quick response or QR code, sometimes referred as a matrix barcode, 2D code, or two-dimension barcode or mobile code. QR code generally appear with white small square with black geometrical shapes. The information held by QR code can be a URL link or a phone number, SMS message or vCard or any other types of text. Point number two, what are the main usage of QR code? The main usage of QR code are: number one, augmented reality. Number two, displaying multimedia content. Number three, mobile operating system. Number four, virtual store. Number fifth, QR code payments. Number six, website login. Number seven, joining a Wi-Fi network. Number eight, electronic authentication. Number one, augmented reality. QR codes are used in some augmented reality system to determine the position of an object in three-dimensional space. Number two, displaying multimedia content. Multimedia QR codes are used to direct users to specific multimedia contents such as video, audio, image, and documents. Point number three, mobile operating system. QR code are also used on various mobile devices operating system. iPhones is running ISO 11 and higher, and some Android devices can also natively scan QR codes without downloading an external app. Number four, virtual store. QR codes have been also used to establish virtual store where a gallery of product information. QR code is presented to the customer. Walmart, Procter & Gamble, and Walworth already adopted the virtual store concept all around the globe. Number fifth, QR code payments. QR code can be used to a bank account information or credit card information, or they can be specified to design with a particular account provider application. QR code are also used to generate time-based one-time password (TOTP) for electronic banking transaction. Point number six, website log. QR code also used to log into the website. A QR code shown on a login page on a computer screen when a registered user scan and verify through smartphone, they automatically log in. Google has used such login procedure since January 2012. 7. Joining a Wi-Fi network by specifying SSID encryption, password, passphrase if the SSID is hidden or not. Mobile devices user can quickly scan and join the network without having the manual entry of the data or authentication. Number 8, electronic authentication. Access to various bibliographical material, full text resources through QR code, e-content information, and login. QR codes are used effectively to access the ebooks. That's end the episode number 83, QR code part 2. I hope viewer you understand what is QR code and what are the main usage of QR code. Please thumb up and comment about this video if it is informative. Stay tuned. I will back soon with another informative episode. Thanks for watching till then.